Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today's video is going to be just a quick little video of my order from Sephora. I just got a couple of things this time and a few samples. So the first thing is this Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream Eyeshadow Palette. This is what the front of it looks like, and then that's the back, and then actually this is just the outer sleeve. This is what the actual front of it looks like. It is really pretty. I do like it, and then that's what the back looks like. It's a big palette. It's a pretty good size palette. And then when you open it, you've got this nice little mirror right here. And then, let's go ahead and take this off. Ooh. And then these are the colors. My colors on my screen might be a little bit off for some reason, but hopefully they are okay. I did try and film this once, and it just didn't go well, so we are doing it again. So I'm going to do some swatches. So the first ones I'm going to do are a warm pie, chocolate mousse, sweet cream, and toasted. So that is what they look like. Let's see if I can. Oh man, that was not. Okay, I guess we'll do it on my hand. So this is warm pie. I must say that this is a super pretty color, and it's glittery. It's purple. It's glittery, and it's like, it like glides on. Like it just like glided onto my hand so easily. That's really pretty. I do really like that. Okay, and then this one is chocolate mousse. The swatches don't look that good, but that's my hands. I'm pretty sure that is just my hand. And then, ooh, okay, we have a sweet cream, which is like this like light lavender color. It looks a little more white in the camera than what it actually is, but it is like a light lavender color, and it is actually very pretty. And then this one here is toasted. So that are the swatches for those ones. I'm really liking that warm pie color. That just looks really pretty. Okay, and now I'm going to swatch bittersweet and soft and sweet. So this here is a bittersweet. Oh, just another pretty purple color. And then this is a soft and sweet, which is just another brown shade, which is actually really pretty. I do like that one a lot too. Okay, now we'll do the bottom row, which is honey dipped, sugar cookie, and cranberry. That is what they look like on my finger. Okay. This one is honey dipped, which is a beautiful like gold peach color. That's actually really pretty. And then we have a sugar cookie, which is very pretty as well. And cranberry. Ooh, that is very pretty. Those are definitely shimmery colors. I really do like those. Okay, and then we got three more, which is blueberry, cherry juice, and blackberry. So we will do, this one here is blueberry muffin, my swatches are, guys, are all over the place. I do apologize. I'm not the best at this whole swatching thing. Okay, so blueberry is here. Blueberry muffin, sorry. Cherry juice and blackberry. So those are actually all very pretty. Oh, does the blackberry have? Nope. Okay. I thought maybe it had some glitter in it. It wasn't. It was just extra glitter that was on my hand or my arm. So far, I really like those colors. They seem very smooth and buttery, and they do seem like they would blend pretty easily. So this palette is $44. So I will be doing a video using this palette here. And I am very excited to give this a try. So now moving on is I have already done a video on this. It's been a while ago though. But this is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. This is like my favorite primer to use ever that I have found so far. I just keep going back to this one. So I did do a full review of this primer already in a previous video. So if you want to watch the full review on this, go ahead and check out that video. And then now I just got a few samples here. Yes, okay. So the first one is, this is the Sephora color masks, it looks like. They are, yes, clay masks. So you have a green one, a pink one, and a gray one. So I have not tried these yet, so I am excited to give those a try. I've been doing a lot of peel-off masks lately, so this will be a good little change of that. Okay, and then the next thing we have is this is from Drunk Elephant, and it's the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Now this is a face cream, so there actually feels like there might be quite a bit maybe in this little package here. It is Sephora's. So Sephora's samples do tend to be a little on the small side a lot of times, but I think you could definitely get a few uses out of this one, definitely. So I'm excited to give that a try. And then this is the Alternate Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In. So at first I thought this was for your face. It is not. It is for your hair. So apparently I guess this is a moisturizing, replenishing, leave-in conditioner type thing. This is actually a fairly decent size little squeezy tube actually. That smells like hair stuff. Got it on my nose. Okay. So that's not too bad. It doesn't feel like it would be super oily maybe, but I don't know. I probably wouldn't use too much of it if you have really thin hair like I do. But Lord knows my hair can use some moisture. All right. So, and then we have one last sample, and this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Oh, okay. I have actually never tried this. This is, but this is, okay. This is in the shade Honey. So, I'm not sure if this will work on me or not. Okay, so it's just a little sample of it, but I mean, it's actually not too small of a sample actually. let me see if I can maybe kind of see what's, I think the, let me see, maybe it's, okay, so, I mean, I can't, okay, we're just going to open up. There we go, okay. See if I can get any of it out of the container here. Okay. So this is what it looks like on my finger. It's in the shade Honey, but oh. Okay, give me 1 second because this is just not working. We are going there. Now, let's see, that has enough product out that we can do something with. Yes, okay, finally. All right, it does appear to be very dark. So, yeah, it might be a bit much on my skin, I'm afraid, but yeah, not really showing up in camera, but it is definitely darker on the darker side for my skin tone, but I don't know, I wonder if maybe if you can mix it maybe with a different setting powder and get a nice mixture out of it maybe. I don't know. Okay, so that is everything that I got. It was a pretty small haul this time around, but I have more things coming, so thank you for watching my video. That's everything I have for you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.